Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. Today's video is just very quick. I have a new digital that it will be in my Etsy by the time this video publishes. Today, I don't even know what today is. It's Wednesday, October 11th. Yeah, so I created this digital and then I figured would get on here and show you guys exactly how to do it. It's kind of self-explanatory, kind of, maybe, I don't know. So what it is, it's a set of 5. It is library cards and pockets, and these are a Christmas design. So the first one is this one. It's so beautiful and just very simple. And then we have the pretty candy cane, the Christmas tree, the Christmas bell, and then Santa. So this is the digital. Now I have went ahead and I have cut mine out, and I went ahead and scored them so that it would, because this video is just like a little bonus video just to kind of show you what to do. So on the library cards, when I cut them out, all I done was just folded them in half. And I'll show you how we do those. And then these I just scored right along those lines there. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's just go ahead and get started with the pockets. So how I have created these to work is this flap here is going to fold over. I think I need to clean my glue thing here. And so I'm just going to glue this flap down. And you can use glue, you can use tape, you know, whatever works best for you. And the reason that flap is there is so that when this is up, you're not going to see that white backing paper. So we just glue that down, and then we want to take these sides right here and we're just going to glue these. Just like that. So there is our library card pocket. And then for the, you have a couple of different things that you can, I didn't score that right. Leave it to me. It helps if you score it properly and cut it properly, but you guys know me by now. Let me put the pin in this for just a minute. So this is the library card. Now there's a couple of different things. You can leave it like this and just stick it in here, and that would give you some extra journaling on the inside. Or you could cut the top of it and make it into a tag. Or you can glue it completely shut, which is what I'm going to do on this one. So I'm just going to glue along the edges here. And a little bit there in the middle. And just glue it down. Now, you could also make a pocket with this. And I should have inked that a little more before I'd done it like that. But oh well. You guys know that I always forget to do stuff. So because this is already in the green, I'm going to do it in the green. And the reason I'm going to ink it is because where I've cut, it's got that white edge. And so I just don't want that white edge showing. So that's why I am inking it up, just to get rid of the white from where I cut the paper there. And I'm using green on this one since that's the color that I had done in the design of it. And so see, it just took that white edge off. It's all that done. And I'm going to do the same thing on this one, and I should have done it before I glued it all together, but you guys know that I didn't. I'll try to remember to do it on the others. Don't mean I will. Because see, I've got the white edge right here because of my goofiness. But I think we can do something with it. That looks okay. And then we'll just do it on the back too, just to make it all look even though there's nothing on the back that I really have to worry about. Alright, so there's that card. It's done. And the way that the pockets are, because there is a design on the back, this could be like a free-floating thing that you clip into a journal, or you can glue this down as a pocket, either way. So let's go ahead and do the next one real quick. And I'm going to try to ink it before I get going. So I'm just going to use some red here, since this one was done with red when I was creating it. And I'm just trying to get rid of the white. That's basically all I'm doing. I'll put a little bit of extra, like right here. And again, you don't have to do this at all. I'm just doing it because y'all know I'm goofy like that. And I will put a little bit right here. And I think that has, nope, I need to do right here because you'll be able to see that white, see? Okay, did we get it? I think so. Now let's go ahead and do this. So I'm just going to ink it up. And I think I may make this library card into a pocket. And I'm going to do that just to kind of show you the different things that you can do. You don't have to keep these together. You could cut this in half if you wanted to. I just like it being together. For me, it's a little easier when it's together like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this down first. And again, we're just going to glue this flap down. Just like that. And then I'm just going to glue these down. And it's just a really quick and easy little project to put into your journals. And then you can embellish these up even more than what they are. You could just use this as a base, and then you could add some more stuff to it, and it would be so cute. So this one, let's make into a pocket, and I'm going to make it into a side pocket over here. So I'm just going to go down this side with my glue, and then along the bottom with my glue. And that's all I'm going to do. And so now I could take and I could stick something in here. I could put some little extra journaling pages in there, anything like that, because I now have this cute little pocket. So there's that one. Moving on to the next one. And I'm going to go ahead and ink the rest of them up while I've got the, put the lid in this thing. This thing always gives me such a fit. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and ink so that I'll be done with the inking part of it. And I'm just going to ink all of this just to make sure I have it all done. And again, you know, you don't have to ink. It's really not that big of a deal. I'm just crazy and I do like to ink. Even if I didn't need to ink, I would probably still ink. So there's that with me. I find any excuse I can most times to ink, because I just like playing with it. I like getting it all over me, I guess, because that's what I always do. I always get the ink all over me. All over me, all over my desk. Yep. So I hope all of you guys are doing good. I've been trying to get back into the routine of getting my videos, and I'm really trying. And I've also been trying to work on more digitals. I'm just really trying because that is something that I enjoy doing. And so I'm really trying to focus on doing the things that I enjoy so much of. That's red, so we'll wait on that one, and we'll go ahead and do this. But yeah, I've got so many of you guys have left me some of the sweetest comments. And guys, if I'm bad about responding to comments, I know. But please know that I promise you, I read every single comment that you guys leave for me. And they truly mean so much to me. They really do. I appreciate you all so much. But maybe one day I will. And I will tell you, one thing I've done for right now, because I found it was a stressor for me, is I have taken down my physical listings in my Etsy for now. Because it's that time of year, and, you know, packages don't arrive on time, and I'm just, you know, I need to get rid of the things that stress me, and that stresses me, and I said, you know what, I am not going to focus my time and energy on fussing with the post office or stressing over that stuff. So I just took all the physical listings down for right now. And that will give me an opportunity to focus on my YouTube and not stress over that stuff. And then I do have some journals that I hope, look at that, see? I do have some journals that I am going to try and get finished. And I will put those in my Etsy when they're finished. But I just wanted to give myself the ability to just focus on what I enjoy and not be stressed. And that was the thing I found. I was getting very stressed because packages not arriving on time, or, you know, the shipping status not updating, and, you know, it's stuff out of my control, but still, it's stuff that it's stressful nonetheless. And it's just, at the end of the day, I decided that I need to just not stress over stuff, and that's the best way that I could do it, was just take those down for now. And yes, it will impact my income, but at the end of the day, peace of mind is more important. And, you know, getting back into my YouTube as much as I did before, that'll bring me joy. And that's what is important right now. All right. So now that I've got that done, I can set that out of the way. And let's set these to the side and work on this one. All right. So we are going to glue this flap down. Okay. And guys, Christmas is approaching quick. You know, I'm sitting here thinking that I have all kinds of time to get Christmas stuff done, and then I stop and I'm like, no, you really don't. We're already at the middle of October. It's craziness. Absolute craziness. Time flies when you're having fun. So apparently I've been having a lot of fun, because time has sure enough been flying. All right. Y'all see that how goofy I am with gluing the stuff. I don't take the time to do and make sure. I don't care. But yeah, this is something that would be so easy to embellish this up even more. But it's so cute, just like it is too. That's the one thing I love. I love the versatility of it, that I could do so much to it. I can make it super cute, just, just like it is, or, I could make it, I could add lace to it. I could add enamel dots. I could add some book page. There's just so much you can do once you have, this base. And that's what I like. So, and this is the first set. There will be a couple more sets coming out. I know I am going to do one with the pink theme and a blue theme. So there will be different sets, but this was the first one that I got completed, and I figured I'd just do the tutorial on this one real quick, because they're all going to, you'll put them all together the same way. It doesn't matter what the design is on them. They will go together the exact same way. And y'all see, I'm not taking my time or anything. I'm just like throwing glue on it, and you see how easy and quick it goes. For me, what takes the longest is me cutting them out, because y'all know I'm not good at cutting stuff out. And boom, just like that, we are done. Let me... Alright. So there you go. So there are the 5 different library cards and pockets that come with this kit. Super cute. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I will put a link in the description box below for this kit. And thank you all so much for watching. And make sure you run over and grab your set of these, and be on the lookout, because there will be a couple of more variations. I know there will be one that's in a pink theme and one that is in a blue theme. So, all right, guys, I will talk to you later. I've got to get off of here so I can get this posted and uploaded, and I've got to get to church. All right, bye, guys.